It's a subkick. No, I'm kidding. It is obvious what it is. It's a subkick. It's written on it. Although one of my friends was like, "What's the small drum in front of the big drum?" And I was like, "That's my magic drum." "And what does it do?" And then I had to explain her what it is for. Oh, the video is not sponsored by Yamaha. I just have a Yamaha subkick, so. But it's tricky because it looks like a little drum. It's a piece of wood with the rims attached to it, but it is actually a huge microphone with a speaker in it. And the speaker works the same way as the membrane of any microphone. It captures the low frequencies of the kick drum, the sub frequencies, that's why it's called the subkick. If it was capturing the mid frequencies, it'd be called a mid kick, and that name sucks. But anyway, here are two examples. One is with and the other one is without the subkick, and you're probably gonna need headphones to hear the difference.
Now you can see it on the equalizer. When I turn the subkick off, the low frequencies will disappear, but when I turn it on again, the low frequencies around 70 Hz will increase with 5 to 7 decibels.
Subkick is mostly used in studio environment. It doesn't really make any sense to use the subkick on live performances. Not like anyone has live gigs now. So most of the studios use subkick to get that good sounding kick drum. So if you have a home studio and you don't yet have a subkick, well, get one. I hope it gives you a better understanding what a subkick is and what it does. And thank you for watching, and subscribe, and see you next time.